In this video, we show how to replace a liquid cooling mid-bracket in a PowerEdge R7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the liquid cooling mid-bracket with the cover removed as well as riser 3 removed, loosen the captive screw on the mid-bracket tube cover and then lift that up and then pull the cooling tubes through. Then loosen the two captive screws on the mid-bracket, then lift to remove it. To install the liquid cooling mid-bracket, align and lower it into the system, and then tighten the two captive screws to secure it in place. Then rerun your liquid cooling tubes, making sure they go in the routing. Get the grommets back in place. Then close the mid-bracket tube cover and tighten the captive screw to secure it. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R7725, visit dell.com/support.